Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft 365 Admin Center, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in admin.microsoft.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center login page. Enter your admin email address in the designated field. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you are using a public or shared device, avoid selecting Keep Me Signed In. Click the Sign In button. If you have two-step verification enabled, you will receive a verification prompt. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once logged in, you will see the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout for easy navigation. Explore the various sections available to manage your organization's Microsoft 365 services. If you need help, utilize the search bar at the top. You are now successfully logged into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Be sure to log out once you finish your tasks, especially on shared devices. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the Sign Out option from the drop-down menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.